All right, we have this one here to install. Good old B18. Good old B18 here. At least that's what it's supposed to be. Oh, there it is, B18. Let's see about the outlet. Well, they got a regular outlet in there. They don't even have a GFI. That's something I've never seen before. Huh. Regular old outlet. Hopefully it's got power. But get the box, put it on the back, put up the pole, probably on this side, and the tower that we got to point to is just over there. That would be no problem whatsoever to reach that one. So let's get this pole mounted and get the CPE on it and all. Alright. Let's see what we need to get out of here. Get the radio. Get the strap. That's all we need out of that for right now. Mount that there. And get the drill. Go ahead and mount the box. Get that out of the way. Let's see. That way I can test and see if we got power or not. Which is what I hope we do. I don't like that outlet, you know, that plug in there, because moisture really can get in there. But that's what they use. If that's on them. If it messes anything up, water gets in there real easy. So we shall see. So let's mount this up here. Put about the same height as the box. The breaker panel should be good. We got another one that has inquired to have internet. RV park basically across the street. So we're going to have to go talk to them as well. May do that today. That's mounted. Let's plug it in and see if we actually get something light up or not. Let's see. Let's go around this way, or all around back behind, and see if it actually lights up. See if we can see it light up or not. Well, this PoE has power, so we have power. So we're good on that. Okay. Let's see what else we get here and get this up. Since I got the tailgate open, sure all my lights are off. Yeah, I hear you. Turn all the lights off. Oh yeah. Let's see. We need this one. And let's see. I think it's this box here. This leftover screw. Home box. The other little box. This little box that has the quarter head screws on it. There we go. Alright. So let's. Nice. Alright. Okay. Right there. And if I have a razor knife in it, yeah, we go. Go razor knife. Come on. Okay, that's there. Okay, now we're going to run some wire from the end on here. All right, let's see here. Get the crimper out. The ends, at least two. Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay, that's got to order more boxes. It's the last one. I got other ones on the way. Seems like this summer, when people actually want internet, it's not like one this week, a couple this week, skip a week, another one that. It's like all at once. It's like it's not just one, it's like 3, maybe 4 at a time that wants internet all in the same weekend for some reason. Don't know why, but I used to keep 4 or 5 boxes in. Usually it holds me, and each time I sell 3, install 3, I order them and have them here, no problem, have them here before I run out. But now I got to buy like 5 almost every week now just to keep up. Not all of them that I actually make video, because sometimes I'm standing there and the client's actually standing there chatting and all, and I'm not going to record because I'm enjoying myself a conversation with them, talking about any and everything other than internet. Let's see, white, orange, white, green. Get my blue in there. Go green, white, brown, and go brown. I don't record them all because I'm just talking to some of the clients, which is very enjoyable, which is one of the big things I love about doing this, just like when I used to do heat and air. Meet new people all the time and going different places all the time. Now, that's not the case that much with this, because it's pretty much the same RV parks, but at least I still get to meet new people. Let's see, white, orange, white, green, blue, green, white, brown, brown. go. I know it's in there somewhere. It's about time to clean that bag out. Get it back to being nothing but tools. Let's get this pole over there and get it mounted. Let's see, screws. Hopefully that's not something going offline. Nope. Nothing offline. I had one this morning go offline. I called Spectrum. It's all automated and told it to reboot the modem, and all my equipment came back online. Their equipment sometimes needs a little bit of reboot as well. It's all electronics. Let's see, I do believe these are 5/16. Yeah. Okay, so I need 4 of these. I think I got it pretty much lined up. At least I'm gonna go with it, and then I'll know when I actually get it fired up and it's connected to see what the alignment chain is. Whoa! Now I go get the tools to put that in, plug it in, and pretty much it should give me internet. After I put this end on it and plug it in, should have internet. Get my handy dandy lock key for the box. Grab me some tape so I can put another piece of tape as it comes, the wire comes down. Let's see, come down here like that. Come in here, that should be more than enough right there. So we'll cut that right there. Bada-bow. As soon as I plug this in, it should start booting up and give me internet access, because it's already been programmed for this tower. So I should be ready to go. Then all I got to do is see it show up in WISP software and drop the radio and the air cube into his account, which will program for the speed with the IP that it gives it. And then we should be ready to activate his account. No, wait, activate his account and then drop the radios in it, and then we'll be ready to give him the password and connect up his devices. Try to connect up his TV and whatever else he wants connected. before we leave. I remember the days that I used to get the equipment come out on site and have to program it and all that. I'm like, why can't I program this before I even get here? And I'll get just pretty much set up the CPE, run the wire, mount the box, plug it in. It has the internet then, and it makes it so much easier. What used to take an hour and maybe 15 minutes, now it takes like 25, 35 minutes. Depends on if I'm talking to the client or not. I mean, I stood there for 15 minutes talking to the client even before I started this. Getting a little warm out here, but they're talking about as the days go by for the week, it's supposed to increase chances of rain, which it is kind of starting getting cloudier sooner, but like they say around here, if you don't like the weather, wait about 10 minutes, it'll change. Not always for the better, but it'll change. So white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, green, white, brown, brown. That looks good to me. Okay. I got to work on building the Tower 2 in the RV park that I'm in. I found somebody that will let me put a tower on their RV. So that's going to help a lot of people down there get a better signal, even though they're not experiencing any interruption right now because of lack of signal or anything. But I can see it, that it's getting kind of out of the zone that I like it in. All right. Now, take this up. Put some tape on this. While it boots up, then I should be able to put all this up and turn on the laptop and log into it. Automatically set the Wi-Fi SSID, set the password, which comes with the cube itself. I don't change it unless the customer actually requests it, and go ahead and log into it with my laptop. So when I get out here, I don't have to look and see what the password is. All I get to do is turn it on and tell it to log into it, and it's already got it saved in there. Now I get a zip tie, probably put it right there because I can't get no tape behind that bad boy. But let that sit there. Get my lock back up here. Let that boot up while I put all this up. Let's see. Put all this up, leave this here to cut the zip tie. And check if the signal is all good. zip tie. So all I need is one. That's the one that's got little eyes on it. Comes in handy every now and then. Let's go put this on. Come on, those. Let's see. I'll put it right back here. Looks good to me. Right on this strap. Good enough to hold it in place. Pull it snug a little bit. There we go. There we go. Got a little drip on it in case it gets wet. It'll drip off of there instead of running in the box. So let's go check and see if we got signal and internet. And if we do, then we can get them to log in and have some internet. Let's see. See what we got. Alright, telling it to connect up to Fulcher's B18. That is there. Just by guessing of the direction to point it, let's see what it does. May have to turn it down some. Let's see what it does. If it does more than 25, may have to turn the CPE down a little bit. Might be over modulating a little bit. So let's log into WISP and see if we can move things around. It says ready to adopt. No, not yet. Let's see, it won't let me log into the radio until I actually adopt it. So we're going to go to the clients and go to his and activate here. -38, -53 back to the tower. And it says it will do 67 up and 91 down. And it's peaking up to 30. That's what it just did. Alright, let's go over to the, seems to be lined up right well. This far, no further than this is pretty much you can point it almost any direction it's going to pick up. Let's do another one standing here. Yeah. put on -4. So we get a little bit more out of it. It's so close. I wish I can have a way to actually run fiber from there to here. It'd be nice if it, that graveled road, man, it'd be a pain in the butt to try to do it with a shovel or anything. Let's see what we get. It's hard to see this thing. Now we're going. That's what it is, because the lower I turn it, higher it gets. Got it -4, low as it will go. Okay. Let's see. Speedtest.net. Okay. Let's see what speedtest.net does. See if it lines up with Wi-Fi, man. Alright. Hard to see a screen in the sun. Doing a 40. Alright. Should be good. Okay. She's locked up. Power it up. Yeah, that getting a little dark over there. Back straight right there, getting kind of dark. Breeze is getting kind of cool too. All right, let's go get them the password and get their equipment connected. But I want to thank each and every one of you that is watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, and all them good things that really helps the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Don't want to get that too tight. Yeah, still loose in there. That's good. That'll hold it. She's good. All right. Let's go get the client some internet. See you in the next video. Take care.